Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own custom text effect in Canva, a powerful trick for leveling up your social posts, brand designs, and all sorts of creative projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to not just add text over images, but embed your images right into your text using Canva's font frame app. Whether you're designing for a business, a special event, or just for fun, this simple method will help your designs really stand out. So let's dive straight in. First things first, before we get to the text, you'll want to have your image ready. This might be a photo, a pattern, or anything you'd like to see displayed within your text. For example, if you want your text to look like it's made out of clouds, you'd use a picture of the sky. If you want your brand colors inside the text, upload your logo or a color gradient. Basically, pick an image that reflects the mood or theme you have in mind. Once you've got your image ready, open up Canva and head over to the sidebar where you'll see Apps. Click on that to open Canva's App Marketplace. Now in the search bar, type in Font Frame. This is an awesome little tool within Canva that gives you those bold, image-filled text effects you see in a lot of professional graphics. If you haven't used Font Frame before, don't worry, it only takes a couple of clicks to add it. After you find Font Frame, go ahead and add it to your design. When you launch Font Frame, you'll see the option to add text. This is where you get creative. Type in whatever word or phrase you want to display. For instance, maybe it's your business name, a motivational word, or a headline for your social media post. Remember, shorter words often give the most dramatic effect, but feel free to experiment. Now the really fun part. You can change the text to whatever style you like, bold, italic, all caps, and adjust the font to match your vibe. Take a moment here to play around and find what looks best for your project. Next, it's time to frame your image into the text. Just select the file or photo you want to use, and Canva will automatically fill your text shape with the image. If you've ever seen those magazine covers where the letters are filled with glossy photos, this is that same effect simplified. You might notice at this point that the image isn't perfectly lining up or the effect looks a little flat. Don't worry, this is where Canva really shines. You can now tweak things like the outline of your text, adjust how far the shadow or projection pops off the page, and soften the effect to make the text blend more naturally. Take your time with these controls. Sometimes making a small adjustment to the shadow or outline gives your text just the right amount of depth and makes the image inside really pop. Once you're happy with your custom text, all you need to do is hit Add to Design. Your new text image will drop right into your Canva project, ready to resize, move around, or add other design elements. From here, you can continue building your whole design, or if you're finished, you can go ahead and share or download it. Canva makes this easy. Just click Share or Download, choose your preferred file type, and you're done. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a beautiful custom text image that's totally unique to your vision. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own creative ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.